Guess what? Some exoplanets are made entirely of diamond, thanks to intense pressure and extreme heat transformations occurring deep within their cores. Turns out there are hot Jupiters that orbit so close to their stars they glow red hot. Exoplanet atmospheres can be full of helium, making them sound like giant party balloons in outer space, creating an otherworldly echo. Did you know some exoplanets have perpetual day on one glowing side and eternal night on the dark other, creating intriguing environmental contrasts? Some exoplanets are thought to be covered in deep global oceans, but made of liquid iron. Exoplanets can have iron rain, where particles of iron fall from the dark sky like droplets, creating a surreal atmosphere that feels heavy. Astronomers discovered an exoplanet with an atmosphere that's being stripped away by its star, causing intense cosmic turmoil and spectacular celestial displays. One exoplanet is so incredibly dense it would instantly sink if you put it in a giant cosmic bathtub filled with swirling water instantly. Some exoplanets have temperatures that can melt metal, reaching scorching hot temperatures with surface heat that vaporizes any known substance instantly, creating extreme environments. Exoplanets can have atmospheres that are toxic to humans, filled with gases like hydrogen sulfide, creating inhospitable environments that are completely hostile. There's an exoplanet that's eerily similar to Earth, but with a thick atmosphere that traps heat, creating a sweltering environment that's hostile to known life forms slowly. Some exoplanets have the longest known years. One particularly distant world takes over 700 Earth years to slowly orbit its massive star. Exoplanets can be tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star like a cosmic moon, experiencing extreme temperature fluctuations daily. Some exoplanets are thought to have zombie atmospheres that stubbornly refuse to be destroyed, maintaining complex atmospheric conditions surprisingly well. Exoplanet atmospheres can be home to spectacular, glowing auroras that light up the night sky with breathtaking displays of colorful, shimmering curtains. One exoplanet has extremely strong winds that blow at supersonic speeds, faster than a speeding bullet, creating massive storm systems with intense pressure. Some exoplanets are thought to be super-Earths, larger and more massive than our own planet. Exoplanets can have forests of carbon nanotubes in their atmospheres. Who knew? Apparently, scientists have discovered this fascinating phenomenon recently. There's an exoplanet with an atmosphere that's 99% hydrogen. Talk about a massive hydrogen bomb slowly waiting to potentially happen anytime now suddenly. Some exoplanets are so incredibly cold, they have snow made of complex molecules, not just water, but frozen compounds that create unique atmospheric conditions. Exoplanets can be mirror worlds, reflecting almost all the light that hits them. Super shiny. One exoplanet has an atmosphere that's being constantly replenished by intense volcanic activity, emitting gases that create a thick, hazy atmosphere surrounding its surface completely now. Some exoplanets are part of binary star systems, where two suns light up the evening sky with a warm, gentle glow, creating a breathtakingly beautiful celestial display daily. Exoplanets can have ring systems, just like Saturn, but on a much grander scale, with luminous celestial bodies orbiting closely. There's an exoplanet that's thought to be ocean-covered, with waves that crash violently on its dark surface, creating a mesmerizing display of liquid motion. Some exoplanets have storms that rage for centuries, never dissipating, cosmic monsters lurking in the dark vastness of deep space, their fury unrelenting, a wonder to observe. One exoplanet is so massive it's almost a star itself, a failed star in the making, surrounded by an intense, mysterious aura that beckons scientists to explore further now slowly. Exoplanets can be puffy worlds, with densities so remarkably low they'd float on water if you could find a sufficiently enormous bathtub elsewhere somehow. Some exoplanets have seasons that last decades, or even centuries. Talk about a really long, harsh winter that's dramatic and freezing slowly. So, are you ready to rewrite the universe with these utterly mind-blowing exoplanet facts? Share with friends and spark amazing conversations instantly tonight.